Today we're unboxing a Black Grille for the Pathfinder 2022. These grills replace your chrome grille with a blacked out grille. They do have mirror covers and other accessories so you can get rid of that chrome. We'll see if we can find a vehicle and install it today. And we'll switch everything over and you guys can take a look at it. So here it is before the Black Grille. And here's the finished product with the blacked out grille. This thing looks way different instead of the chrome. And if you're looking for something like this, head over to shiftnissanparts.com. You'll find it there.